how to have both paragraph and two columns in a single document in Word. So if you want to have the paragraph and two columns in a single document, then what you can do is you need to open up your Word. You need to open the Word and then open the document in which you would like to edit that. And here you will have your document or your Word, right? So if you want to have two columns, then here on the upper left, you will have layout option. Click on layout, go for the columns and go for two. And here you will have two columns. But if you don't want this, and if you want to have a paragraph and then two columns, then you can again go for the columns, go for more columns. And here under more columns, if you have the Word application, then there will be an option of how many columns that you need. You can simply go for the count of two, and then you need to select an option which will be on the bottom left, which is apply to. And under the apply to, it will have an option of this point forward or this point onwards. So you can simply choose that option if you have that option and then click on OK. Once you click on that, you will have a paragraph and then the bottom two columns. So if you have your Word application, you can do that from your application. And that's it. That's how you can have both the paragraph and two columns in a single document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.